Tugitigana na ino ntitoni ciengie Mugambithania munene uria nowe rais wa koti nene Lady Justice Martha KOOME na kinyite miru kuruguria koti cia magamba maria manini nikenda kubuithia utungata ona nkuruki KOOME uria ogwatitwe ugeni ni gavana wa Miru KAWIRA Mwangaza ikaroni cia kaunti ya Miru augite itua riri rigatuma magamba manini magambwe na kurika karugi nikenda utungata obwa koti ya Miru. Koti ino iraicikene muno ta Small Claims Court iraithaga magamba maria makugambira mbeca inini iria itigukuruka milioni imwe baria magamba mamairigagirwa kwithirwa marerungu makithirwa rungu rwa ntuko 60. Muthiri Murioki nonete karikarire na kathirwe hagitubacio ikibinya.
Thujwana rwa Mugambithania munene niwe Martha KOOME aruguritirwa ngirungirwa koti endene koti ya Miru JAKUGAMBIRA magamba manini kana Small Claims Court kiri kiatho kiria kinya gavana wa Miru KAWIRA Mwangaza ukai amana Florence Kajuju mukarigiti wa Busman na kinya speaker wa mbunge ya Miru no Ayubu Bundi amana mukarigiti wa kiama kamwe kindene Mount Kenya no Joe Mutuma.
But that's our government policy now, the bottom-up approach, that for us to succeed, we have to look at the vulnerable. We have to empower them. We have to enable them resolve their disputes when they get them and to be able to do business without fearing that they are going to lose their lifetime investment. So by May, Honorable Maina will have a colleague. We will operationalize a Small Claims Court in Kobo. We will also operationalize a Small Claims Court in Maua. If we aim to do that by June, then we can talk of making some progress.
I'm delighted that the courts will provide an avenue for swift resolution of disputes between parties involving small amounts of money, and it's a great step towards making justice accessible to the Meru residents regardless of their socio-economic status.
We are in the final process of acquiring land for construction of Timau Law Courts, and we shall soon invite you to lay the foundation once the process is complete. The county government of Meru is also in the process of identifying suitable location for establishment of additional courts in Mutuate, Gaito, and Mekindori.
Akiwende na kaunti ya Miru mbere marijwa tantatu akethwa akiriguria koti ingi cia gutegera andu acia kinjara cia mumbire ira ugite muno nirumirite ndene kaunti ya Miru.
But I also have a report on my desk that has mapped out Meru as one of the hotspots for sexual and gender-based violence. And the request is that we also start a specialized court here to deal with sexual and gender-based violence. So those are things I can see happening between now and June. We agreed with the judges that we will start a registry, a high court registry, both high court registry and ELC registry, so that we start a judge circuiting in Maua. So Maua will also be a high court station very, very soon.
Your Lordship, we also request for an extra number of judges in the Court of Appeal. You can imagine serving about 7 counties in Nyeri. We only have 3 judges. So we request that you consider these other regions as well, because they sit in circuits. So you can imagine 7 counties being served by 3 judges, Your Lordship. And right now they are dealing with 2016 to 2018 matters, and their appeals are being filed on a daily basis in the Court of Appeal. We request at least an extra 3 so that they are able to organize themselves better to serve us as members.
Akiuga magamba jamwe taburi kuthirwa maturene na wakethwa akiumbithia ntububu nikenda magamba jamwe takinya kotini.
To sensitize people about the alternative justice system. Traditionally, we recognize that we solved our own problems. And Meru, I think, distinguished itself by having a forum during Cheke, which is being understood by the other. I think they are working on their systems and structures so that they can comply with the Constitution. And I'm very, very happy to be associated with Meru because we have our own systems and structures of solving disputes.
Amna bubu na rizitio tumdi bonda wache kurebia kiri mwingi ajandene kaunti ya Meru.
This county has been destroyed from every corner by illicit brews, by substance abuse, drug abuse. And you told me this is a big concern. As a court user committee, we also need to put our hands together because we have seen how our young people are being destroyed. So they are crying, oh boy child, oh girl child. I'm like, now I was rescuing the girl child. Now I have to rescue the boy child.
Nkiripotera Uru TV, Betsa Muthuri Murioki.